Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make trending Insta Reel or YouTube Shorts on Android, like this. Do you want to edit trending Insta Reels or YouTube Shorts like this? Keep watching this video, so you can improve your editing skills and get more engaging audience. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So all of the files used in this video are given in the description. You can just click the link to download the zip file. Firstly, the grid background we're using next is also present in the zip file, but if you want a different color, I'll show you how to do that just now. Open KINEMASTER. Import the grid background to timeline. Tap on clip, then scroll down and tap adjustment, scroll down and tap hue. Now you can adjust the slider to your desired color choice. Now we're gonna learn how to make these characters effects. For that you need Adobe PS Touch or PSCC. Both are same applications but compatible with different Android versions. Now to download character PNGs, open your browser and search freepik.com and follow the steps. You can search man or women to download random people PNGs. After downloading, I'll tell you how to remove the background from these PNGs for free. Now to remove background from images for free, just search remove.bg in your browser and follow the steps. Hit download and save image so we can move on to PS Touch. Open PS Touch and import your image, follow the steps. If you have any issue, just rewind the video to watch again. You can also DM me on Instagram for other queries. My Insta handle is in description. These brush strokes are also present in the zip file that you downloaded earlier. After doing these effects in PS Touch, we'll move on to Pixellab to make texts for our reel or shorts. Don't forget to always save your images in PNG format. So to make our text PNGs, we have to import our font to Pixellab. The font we're using here is written on your screen now. You can find this font in the zip file you downloaded earlier, along with grid backgrounds and brush stroke PNG, which we used in character stylizing. So let's just head over straight to importing fonts in Pixellab. First, open your device's file manager and make a folder named fonts, then move the font here. Next, open Pixellab and follow the steps. Now I'll tell you how to make text like this in Pixellab. For that, open Pixellab and follow the video. After exporting your text as PNG, we are going to finally edit our reel or short. But before we continue, you need to know that I have used some lens burn videos assets that are present in the zip file you downloaded earlier. So everything that I'm going to use to edit is present in that zip file. If not, then I have already showed you how to make that particular thing. Let's continue and open our KINEMASTER, set it to 9:16 aspect ratio because we always use this format for reels or shorts. Keep watching patiently and follow the entire process. If you want to add text-to-speech voiceover like I'm using in this video or in this short or reel that we are learning to edit, comment down below and I'll make a tutorial on it too. You can also use your own voice if you're comfortable enough.
É desse jeito, só leva chifre quem não faz amor direito. É desse jeito, só leva chifre quem não faz amor direito. Só leva chifre quem não faz amor direito. E mais um.
Camisinha ruim, quase não satisfaz, mas hoje eu tô vendo a falta que ela me faz. Camisinha ruim, quase não satisfaz, mas hoje eu tô vendo a falta que ela me faz.
Camisinha ruim, quase não satisfaz, mas hoje eu tô vendo a falta que ela me faz. Camisinha ruim, quase não satisfaz, mas hoje eu tô vendo a falta que ela me faz. Como ficar rico se nós tem... Como ficar rico se nós tem pensão demais? Eu vou lá no sapo, me chama de pai. Na igrejinha me chama de pai. Seu E como ficar rico se nós...
Me faz eu me faz eu
Mais um.
Camisinha ruim, quase não satisfaz, mas hoje eu tô vendo a falta que ela me faz. Camisinha ruim, quase não satisfaz, mas hoje eu tô vendo a falta que ela me faz.
Como ficar rico se nós tem... Como ficar rico se nós tem pensão demais? Eu vou lá no sapo, me chama de pai. Na igrejinha me chama de pai. Seu
Just to keep you warm, and my heart was so tired.
Well, this is how to make trending reels or shorts like this. If you made it through here, thank you so much. I'll keep making more videos like this. Till then, peace.